Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you some altered frames that I did. I may have already shared the altered frame that I did from Dollarama, but I'm going to show it in here as well with another one that I created. So this is the one that I did for Around the Crafty World in 5 weeks. It was the collaboration that I was in. So this was my altered frame that I had to do. And I just loved it. And then I had a couple people order a couple. And so I created a few more and I thought I would share them with you. So all these, I'll just give you a little background on it. All these flowers are from Michael's. The frame itself is from Dollarama. And the die cut of the dressmaker's mannequin thing is in the back. So that's that piece there. This came from Lisa, and it's from Shalisa's Crafty Corner here on YouTube. She gifted these to me in my giveaway, and I've used 3 of them so far. And I have to tell you, I had to go order this die cut because I just fell in love with it. I just absolutely love it. So then I just put some cardstock in the back of the frame, and it looks like that. I just love this. Absolutely love it. So someone on Facebook saw my creation, and so she wanted one in pink. So I did this one. And again, I showed this one for Dollarama, but it's a lot of this is Dollarama, so believe it or not, isn't that beautiful? Just love this one. And again, same pieces, just different flowers and just other pieces in there. Love that. And then my daughter requested one, and I did this one. Now she's putting it in her bathroom. So these are paper flowers. So I use my glossy accent to I guess make them a little bit more sturdy, and hopefully that won't do anything with, you know, with the steam and everything in the shower. I put this butterfly is a little big compared to what I had on the other two, but it's okay. I took my markers. These are the markers I bought from Dollarama, and I just outlined the butterfly here with some purple to go with the mannequin's little stand here. Isn't that just beautiful? This would be amazing for a wedding gift. I just think this is adorable. And I just layered the butterfly with another one underneath with some silver. She wanted her bathroom her bathroom is gray. And I know she likes purple, so I just kind of incorporated it all. These are kind of ivory, but this is the best I could find. Dollarama didn't have any white flowers that I wanted to use for it, but I could get these flowers here are from Michael's, and they have writing on them. So they had gray writing. I thought those would be perfect. And I got this frame from Dollarama as well, but that's what I did with this one. And I glossy accent this one a lot, so I'm hoping it will be okay in there. If not, I'll just create another one. But I thought I would share with you the 3 altered frames that I have done. And yeah, so I hope this inspires you and you guys want to create something like it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.